My name is Giovanni Prasca. My destination is Coveñas. Coveñas is a tourist destination on the Caribbean coast of Colombia, known primarily for its beautiful beaches, umbrellas, Stan Murphy, Este Bicis Sternum, the Ball Beach, good the wide selection of restaurant, bar, and hotel. Island de Coroteña is the mall island close to the coast than you can reach by book. Is the perfect place for snorkel and enjoy crystal clear water and marine water. Thank you very much.